Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Likun and you see LD Chemistry 3. Friends, in my previous video we will discuss about chemistry and its types. I hope in my first video touch in your heart. Friends, today we will discuss about valency and how to calculate valency. So, what is valency? Friends, valency means valency is the ability of an atom to combine with other atom. Friends, that statement we understand with an example. So, take an example. Friends, suppose carbon. Friends, carbon is tetravalency. Tetravalency means it forms maximum 4 bonds in another atom. Suppose it forms bond with chlorine, then fluorine, then bromine, then this is blank. Suppose we attach hydrogen. You also attach any atom. I attach hydrogen because हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन का रिलेशन भाई भाई का रिलेशन है, फादर मदर का रिलेशन है, ब्रदर सिस्टर का रिलेशन जो रिलेशन है कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन का भी ऐसा रिलेशन है. सो फ्रेंड्स वी नो वैलेंसी. सो फ्रेंड्स वी डिस्कस अबाउट वैलेंसी एंड फाइनली वी डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू कैलकुलेट वैलेंसी. सपोज टेक एन एग्जांपल. सपोज फ्रेंड्स सोडियम atomic number 11 and according to 2n square rule in octet rule, 2n square rule, sodium 281. Friends, in sodium in the valence shell 1 electron is present. So we know with diagram. So friends, this is nucleus, first cell, second cell, third cell and fourth cell. First cell name K cell, then L, then M, then N. Friends, 281. So in K cell 2 electron is present. So 2 electron and second cell 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and n cell 1 electron. So in the valence cells 1 electron is present. So because of 1 electron is present in the valence cell, friend, so the valency of sodium is 1. And what is the formula to calculate valency? We know up. So friends, formula 1. If the valence electron equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then friend valence equal to same 1, 2, 3, 4. And second, if the valence electron equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, then valence equal to 8 minus 5, 6, 7, 8. In case of noble gases, friends, noble gases have no valence electron. Noble gases have no valence electron and they definitely cannot be take part in bond formation. So friends, example to calculate valence electron. Take suppose friend lithium का valence electron 1. So in the formula when 1 is valence electron then valency is 1. And magnesium valence electron is 2, then valency is 2. And suppose friends neon valence electron is 8, then valency is 0 because 8 minus 8 equal to 0. And friends, there are two noble gases present in this table. One is helium and neon. And friends, we will discuss that in case of noble gases, there are no take part in it. In case of friends, noble gases cannot obey valency, and they absolutely cannot be bond formation. So friends, this class about valency and how to calculate valency. Friends, I hope today video will touch in your heart. So friends, that's end, and please like me, subscribe me, comment me.